Welcome to Debunker Busters. Today we're diving into the top 20 strange and weird things concerning the moon. From mysterious anomalies to theories about alien civilizations, the moon holds many secrets. Let's explore them together. You know, when we look up at the moon, we often see it as a familiar static object in the night sky. But the more we study it, the more we realize how much we don't know. Our first stop takes us to the South Pole Atken Basin, the moon's largest impact crater with a hefty secret. Buried beneath is a massive anomaly so large it could swallow Hawaii whole. Some believe it's remnants of a colossal asteroid, the metallic core embedded deep within the crust. Others think it's dense minerals or remnants of a magma ocean. This anomaly has scientists puzzled. Imagine this: you flick a bell, and it resonates with a clear, sustained tone. That's right, during the Apollo mission something rather peculiar happened. After intentionally crashing the lunar modules into the moon's surface, scientists back on Earth observed something unexpected. The moon was ringing like a bell. This ringing phenomenon led to speculation about the moon's internal structure. Let's journey to the far side of the moon, hidden from our view on Earth and holding its own share of enigmas. Here we find the Gruituisen domes, sparking endless debate. Unlike typical lunar mountains, these domes appear smooth and rounded. Imagine gazing up at the moon through a telescope and witnessing a sudden flash of light, a brief but undeniable illumination. This is a documented phenomenon known as Transient Lunar Phenomena, or TLP. Theories suggest they could be caused by meteoroid impacts, gas release from the lunar interior, or electrical activity within the moon's regolith. TLPs remind us that the moon is not the static world we once thought. In the realm of lunar mysteries, few images have sparked as much controversy as the so-called Lunar Gun Turret. This peculiar feature, captured in a NASA photograph, shows a raised, cylindrical structure casting a long shadow. Proponents point to its resemblance to a gun turret, suggesting it could be evidence of an ancient lunar base. Skeptics remain unconvinced, attributing the gun turret to pareidolia, the human tendency to perceive patterns in random stimuli. Our exploration of lunar mysteries takes us to the realm of the very small, to tiny glass beads discovered on the moon's surface. These beads, some no wider than a human hair, might seem insignificant, but they hold intriguing clues about the moon's past and future. Some contain elements and isotopes not found in lunar rocks, hinting at a more exotic origin. These questions could provide insights into the moon's formation and evolution. The idea of a hollow moon has captivated the imaginations of science fiction writers and conspiracy theorists for decades. The hollow moon theory gained traction after the Apollo missions, when seismic readings from instruments placed on the lunar surface revealed unusual vibrations following impacts. Some scientists proposed that these vibrations indicated a less dense, possibly even hollow, lunar interior. However, the mainstream scientific consensus is that the moon is not hollow in the traditional sense. In 2024, NASA cameras captured a mysterious object orbiting the moon. The bright point of light sparked speculation about its origins. Preliminary analyses suggest it could be a small, natural satellite or debris. This sighting reminds us our cosmic neighborhood is full of surprises. Few celestial phenomena are as awe-inspiring and improbable as a total solar eclipse. The moon is the perfect size and distance from Earth to create this event. This alignment has led some to speculate it's more than just a cosmic coincidence. The search for extraterrestrial life and ancient civilizations often leads us to look for familiar sign structures that resemble those built by humans throughout history. And on the moon, some believe they have found just that: pyramids. While the mainstream scientific community remains skeptical, attributing these pyramids to pareidolia or natural geological processes, the possibility of ancient lunar architects continues to intrigue. NASA, the agency tasked with exploring the cosmos, has amassed a vast archive of images and data from the Moon, collected over decades of robotic and human missions. From unexplained shadows and geometric patterns to strange lights and unusual surface features, NASA's catalogue of lunar anomalies reads like a wish list for conspiracy theorists and alien enthusiasts. While NASA has debunked many of these claims, some anomalies remain unexplained, fueling the fires of speculation. The Moon, tidally locked in its orbit around Earth, always shows us the same face. The so-called dark side remained hidden until the Soviet Lunar 3 spacecraft sent back the first images in 1959. The far side, while not perpetually dark, is significantly different from the side we see from Earth. Its unique characteristics have led to much speculation about its formation and evolution. Water, the elixir of life, is a precious commodity in space. On the Moon, scientists have confirmed the presence of water ice, a discovery with profound implications for future lunar exploration. The ice is concentrated at the poles in permanently shadowed craters where temperatures remain incredibly cold. Water ice could sustain future lunar outposts, providing drinking water and resources for rocket fuel. Across the lunar surface, a keen observer can find patterns, geometric shapes etched into the desolate landscape. These patterns, some spanning kilometers, take the form of straight lines, right angles, and even circles, prompting some to question their natural origins. Could these geometric patterns be evidence of an ancient lunar civilization, long gone but not forgotten? In the annals of lunar mysteries, few are as recognizable as the face on the Moon. This illusion, captured by NASA's Lunar Orbiter 4 in 1965, shows a human-like face on the lunar surface. Despite being debunked by scientists, it continues to capture the imagination. Some see it as a message from an ancient civilization. Among the treasures returned by Apollo astronauts were tiny glass beads, no bigger than a grain of sand. Formed in the heat of meteoroid impacts, these beads hold clues to the Moon's violent past. They form when molten rock cools rapidly in space. Scattered across the lunar surface, they record the Moon's bombardment over billions of years. Helium-3 in these beads fuels speculation about the Moon as a resource base for humanity. The Moon's orbit around Earth is not a perfect circle, but rather a slightly elliptical path. This elliptical orbit, combined with gravitational influences, causes the Moon to wobble. This wobble, known as lunar libration, is subtle but noticeable. Its effects on the Moon's surface are still being studied. Scattered across the Moon's surface are enigmatic features known as lunar swirls. Bright, swirling patterns that stand out against the darker surrounding terrain. One theory suggests that the swirls are related to the Moon's ancient magnetic field. These fields may have interacted with the solar wind, the stream of charged particles from the Sun, creating the swirling patterns we see today. The Moon, with its weak gravity and lack of a protective magnetic field, is often described as having no atmosphere. While it's true that the Moon's atmosphere is incredibly thin, it's not entirely absent. The lunar atmosphere, or exosphere, is a tenuous layer of gas and dust. While too thin to breathe or offer protection from radiation, it shapes the lunar environment. As we delve deeper into the 21st century, the Moon is once again a focal point for space exploration. With its proximity to Earth and abundance of resources, the Moon holds immense potential for advancing our understanding of the solar system. Space agencies are planning ambitious missions, including permanent lunar outposts, advanced rovers and telescopes, and human missions to the far side. The Moon, once a distant orb, is now within our reach, a stepping stone to further exploration. From the mysterious lights that dance across its surface to the strange structures that hint at ancient civilizations, the moon continues to captivate our imagination. As we've journeyed through these strange and weird things about the moon, we've encountered scientific mysteries that challenge our understanding and fuel our desire to explore the unknown. While some of these mysteries may be explained by science, others may remain enigmatic, forever reminding us that the cosmos is full of surprises. As we look to the future of space exploration, the moon stands as a beacon, a testament to our insatiable curiosity and our unyielding desire to push the boundaries of human knowledge.